My name is Chad Bussanich. I'm the engineering manager for SuperSprings International. I kind of got started, I'd say, all the way back when I was young, helping my dad wrench on cars in our garage, fix our cars. That's really where I got a love for anything mechanical. Been able to kind of translate that skill and knowledge of mechanical stuff into designing the parts rather than just using them. But I like all aspects of it, from brainstorming to fabricating, 3D CAD work, installing products on cars, all aspects I really enjoy. Ultimately, I'm passionate about my family. My wife and kids is the reason why I work and have a job, is to support them and provide them with everything that I can. We do a lot of stuff together, play games, watch movies, hiking, fishing, camping, hunting, all that kind of stuff. Do a lot of things together as a family, and I love being able to do anything like that I can with them and kind of explore. Got a couple kids that are very mechanically minded like me, so it's a lot of fun to work on projects with them and see their creativity. I get to do a lot of hands-on, so I'm not just tied to the computer all the time, not just grease monkey. I get to do, everything in between. So it's a lot of fun to be able to brainstorm about something, come up with an idea, design, go into the computer and draw it up, go in the shop and make parts and put it on the vehicle and test it, prove it out, see it ultimately out in action in the market. Being with a company that cares more about the people that are in the company than the bottom line, or getting the product out on time, or all of those kinds of things come together when you have a company whose leadership cares more about the people than they do the product. Because they do such a good job of caring for us, it helps us do our jobs a lot better. We're able to be extremely successful with our customers and vendors and everything else. Being in engineering, we don't interact with the customers on a day-to-day basis, like someone in customer service or sales. I look at it as, from being someone who likes to do it myself, DIY, that's a lot more prevalent these days. I really try hard when designing a new product, a new kit. Really try hard to design it around somebody who's trying to install this in their driveway with basic tools. I try and make sure that it's something that most people can handle doing themselves. I think you get a real sense of satisfaction when you do something yourself. So a lot of thought goes into making it easy for installation. Try and make it easier to understand the instructions. I do enjoy the technical support aspect, where I am maybe not directly interacting with the customer, but interacting with our customer care team, helping them solve problems for customers, troubleshoot issues that a customer might be having. I kind of like the forensics aspect, trying to find out what is the problem, when a customer calls in and they're having this issue and something's not working, trying to find the clues as to why and what the solution would be to try and make sure that we can help everybody have that best experience possible.